What's up guys, watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is WS-116522-7. The system software is the update failed. So system software, you try to update but it's failed. So here we are. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we go to the screen and let's go to the, here is settings and the system. And here you have the system software update. If you have the update here, you simply just update from here via using an internet or from the USB. If you download the files and put in USB, here's it automatically, and install the automatically, just turn it on. And you must check the servers also. Sometimes the server is not working, that's why your system software is not going to update. And then third option, you just go to check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage, that's why your update is not working. And sometimes you're having a corrupted file in your system, that's why your system software also is not working. So in the last, here's the save data, sorry, not in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5. Here you get the notifications also. Look at that. After installation, before installation, you just turn off the PlayStation 5 and there is the safe mode. You just simply go to the safe mode. There is a rebuild database. Simply rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, corrupted file will be deleted. You have a space in your storage, and maybe sometime the network problem you have it, the server is down. Then you just get back on your home screen and start your system software update. It will be works. So that's how you can do it. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.